In this video, we're going over how to unlock your iPhone 13 so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for new videos. And also make sure you follow us on Amazon for our best tech recommendations. Today, we're going to walk you through how to unlock your phone so you can use it with any carrier. Now, this will work for any of the iPhone 13 models. So first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app here and tap on the keypad right here. And we're gonna type in *#06 and pound. That's gonna show us our IMEI. You'll need to write down this number right here, this second number, and we're gonna use that later on in the video. We're gonna swipe up again to go home. And next we're gonna go to Safari. And we're gonna go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just gonna fill out a few prompts. Under manufacturer, you're gonna go to Apple. And then for the model, you're gonna go to iPhone 13. And again, they'll have all the options here. So 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. So select the one that most applies to your situation. Unlock now. On the next screen, it will ask you to enter some information about where you purchased the phone. So we purchased it in the US, and the carrier is going to be AT&T. On this last page, you will need to enter some of your contact information. So it will need the IMEI, which is the first number we got in the first step of the video, your full name, the email address you want the final instruction sent to, as well as a contact phone number. And here is the price of what it will cost to unlock your phone. Normally it will cost $35, but they always give you a discount, so it'll come down to just $20. And it will take anywhere from an hour to 48 hours for them to send you the email with your final instructions. So the next step from here is to tap order now, check out and pay, and then you're gonna wait for them to send you an email that will have the final instructions. Now, the reason for this final step is that the process to unlock the phones does change from time to time. So they will send you the most current steps on how to get your phone unlocked once you submit payment. Now, once you do get those final instructions, what you will need to do is first take out your SIM tool from the box of your phone and take out your old SIM card. So you'll take out the SIM card, and your SIM tray should be on the left side here, and just use the tool like this. Just put it right in the little slot there and push, and that will pop out your SIM tray. You can then take this out and then put in your new SIM card for the service you want to use the phone with. So that is as easy as it takes. It's just that easy to get your phone unlocked. Now, a couple of other things I do want to point out. So on this website, you do have a couple of options in case you run into some snags. There is going to be a phone number at the top of the web page to reach out to their support for texting and also for calling. So you got a few different options. There's a 24-hour option as well. One of the reasons I love this site is because you do have those options to reach out to the company to get a response. And they do guarantee their phone. So it tells you if they don't unlock it, you'll get a 100% money back guarantee. Most of the other sites do not guarantee your money back. So you can rest assured if you pay and run into a snag, that you'll just get your money back. So anyway, guys, I hope you did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.